Hey guys, how are we doing today? Welcome to MacMarize. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 3 things you need to know about the iOS 16 update. And these are the top 3 major changes that would be coming to your iPhone with iOS 16. Now, we already have the iOS 16 beta 1 here. Do note this is a developer's beta and a lot of things are going to change in the due course of time and when the update actually becomes available for the public. So do take these things with a pinch of salt, but this is your first look to iOS 16. So let's begin with the lock screen. As you can see, the lock screen has changed a lot. There are widgets, the clock style has changed, and even there's more information that is being displayed. Also, your notifications are now at the bottom of the screen instead of being on top. Let's unlock the phone and show you. So once you unlock the phone, you will be able to see all of your widgets and will also be able to change your wallpapers for the lock screen right here from this page. Now let's go to the customization menu of the lock screen, which you can do from here itself, right? So here we go, and as you can see, there is so much to choose from. So these are the various wallpaper collections that are available, right? For example, this one here. So here, as you can see, there are various collections available, and this is really nice. Moreover, as you can see, there is a effect, a 3D effect going on here, where the clock and the widgets are displayed behind the object, which is also possible for people. Now, once you click on the clock, you're going to see there are so many options of font for customization of the clock according to what you want. Moreover, you can also change the colors as per your liking, and see, that is a lot of customization that is available. Moreover, you can also add widgets based on the apps you have. Obviously, these widgets are going to increase, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel to know when new widgets come up, new things come up with iOS 16. So this is a major feature when you talk about the lock screen. Now let's open up the phone, and as you can see, the spotlight search has changed, but this is not a major feature. A major feature that people have been requesting for a long time with iPhones is haptic feedback on keyboards, right? And here we have haptic feedback on keyboard. You go to keyboard feedback, here you see the haptic option. Now this option is very important because this will enable per key haptic feedback on your Apple keyboard, and it is absolutely satisfying because it really makes everything easy. Other than that, a minor thing that I should tell you about, even though it's not a major change, is the fact that the device is much smoother right now. The animation feel much smoother. So that is really amazing. Another feature that is absolutely amazing is the dictation feature. So let me show you the dictation feature right now. There are major changes made to the dictation feature here. First and foremost is your keyboard will not disappear when you start the dictation feature. For example, I have the dictation feature turned on right now. Moreover, this dictation feature is actually running offline and not accessing any data online. After a certain point, when the text is too long, it will automatically start adding punctuations, full stops, question marks, more and more. So as you can see, dictation has become pretty advanced on Apple here, and this is totally visible. Now that was the dictation feature. Now these are the major changes that have come up on iOS 16. Obviously, we are going to dive deep and figure out what are the new changes that are coming up, what are the smaller changes that have come till now. So if you want to know that, if you want to enjoy that kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give a big thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I will see you in the next one.